Close your eyes, dear traveller, and enter the quiet world beneath the canopy of morning light. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of an ancient forest, a place untouched by time, where the earth moves slowly and the air breathes with a life of its own. The sky above is still pale with dawn, soft and gentle, as if awakening with you. As you step forward, feel the ground beneath your feet, cool soil, scattered leaves, the memories of 1,000 seasons woven into the earth. With each slow breath, the forest opens itself to you. Sunlight streams between the branches, warm and golden, illuminating drifting dust like tiny stars suspended in the morning air. The quiet rustling of leaves becomes a soft welcome, a reminder that even the smallest movements carry harmony when the world is calm. Now begin to walk along a narrow path lined with moss. Your footsteps are silent, cushioned by softness, as if the earth has prepared this trail just for you. With every step, you feel yourself arriving deeper into stillness. The weight you carried today begins to loosen, dissolving like mist touched by the sun. You are not rushing, you are not striving, you are simply being, one breath at a time. Soon, the distant sound of falling water reaches your ears. A steady, soothing rhythm, a promise of peace. Follow that sound as it grows clearer, fuller, like a heartbeat of the land. You emerge from the shadows of the trees, and the world opens into a luminous sanctuary. A waterfall cascading from a high stone cliff into a pool of turquoise light. Mist rises in a gentle veil, catching the sun and scattering it into shimmering beams. Stand in awe for a moment. Feel how the place welcomes you. The waterfall's voice is powerful yet soft, strong yet calming, like a force that knows exactly how to carry away what no longer belongs to you. Walk closer now. Feel the cool droplets of mist kiss your skin. Each one carries a softness that slips into your thoughts, loosening tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine everything unnecessary being released into the sound of the falling water. You sit at the water's edge on a smooth stone, warmed by the rising sun. The pool before you glows with impossibly clear blue light, each ripple catching tiny fragments of gold. Beneath its surface, you sense a stillness that cannot be disturbed, a mirror of what exists within you. Let the breath move slowly. Inhale through the nose, letting the air fill your body like morning light filling a quiet valley. Exhale gently, feeling your entire being soften, settle, and expand outward into calm. The waterfall keeps speaking, steady, grounding, eternal, and with every passing moment, you feel more and more aligned with its rhythm. Now imagine lowering your hand into the cool water. Feel the smoothness, the purity, the clarity of it. As your fingers glide through the surface, imagine it washing away old heaviness, fears, doubts, regrets, anything that has clung to your spirit. The water invites you to let go. The forest encourages you to allow this release. You do not need to hold what weighs you down. Not here. Not anymore. You lift your hand and watch droplets fall back into the pool. Each drop becomes a tiny ripple that spreads outward, gently transforming the surface. Know this. As you release what burdens you, your inner world transforms in the same quiet, natural way. With small, gentle ripples that move through your thoughts, through your emotions, through your life. Now take a long, slow breath in. Feel strength entering. Feel clarity forming. Feel the soft glow of hope lighting the space behind your ribs. As you exhale, imagine the waterfall sending fresh energy through the air. Renewal, presence, and peaceful intention. Sit for a moment longer in absolute stillness. Listen to the harmony around you. The distant song of morning birds, the whisper of leaves shifting in the breeze, the deep, grounding roar of the waterfall. All of nature is breathing with you, matching you, supporting you. As you prepare to return, place your hand over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm. Know that the calm you discovered is not tied to a place. It exists within you always. the waterfall is simply a reminder of what is already yours. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes.